Mother Emperor Penguin would leave the egg to Father Penguin. The egg will be hatching soon. Mother Penguin gonna get some krill for the chick. These are krill, Emperor Penguin's favorite. Catch them! Swim and catch the krill up ahead. You've got the krill! That's great! Catch more krill before the time is up. Good job! You have earned some time. Oh no! A seal is coming! Quick! Help the Emperor Penguin escape from the seal! You're amazing! You've caught plenty of krill for the baby penguin. Not bad! You have obtained 2 stars!